space over there. Okay, then. Yes. You need more space than that. Okay.
Don't do that with an accent though.
Don't sit on my face.
Regular voice.
Okay.
Alright, your airtime's almost up. This battery's about to die. It's blinking.
You gotta get on this side, door.
Oh. Sorry.
Come on, dude. Cameraman.
Don't block it up.
Oh.
Yeah, behind on the bed.
Oh, sorry. Disney footage. That was Disney's footage right now.
Okay, first rose. Go to Catherine.
Go get your rose, Catherine.
Catherine, rose.
This is the rose for me, the bachelor.
Here's the rose. Here's your rose.
Open it. Oh, cute.
Thank you.
Steven made it. Steven made it.
Okay, wait, he's still running around.
Where's mine?
Is that it?
Oh my gosh, Justice,
I'm jealous.
Due to time restraint, we are fast forwarding. Battery's about to die. You gotta speed up the process.
Second rose. Give me tea.
Wait. Good.
Melody. Yay!
Melody.
Open it out.
Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun.
Pikachu, choo, choo, choo.
Big old
Sorry, Caitlin.
What are you doing?
Just bring it over here.
Yeah, bring it away. Yeah, because...
This is going on YouTube tonight already, man. It's guaranteed.
Third row.
Yeah. Yeah.
It will go to Melinda. Come on.
Okay, done.
This is the under 13 bachelorette. Yeah, definitely under 13.
Did he make these? Yeah, he made these by himself. Aww.
Under 13.
Regular accent.
It will go to Caitlin. Yay!
Did it mean one? Did you do your crystal gel one?
Under 13 back.
I want to hear
Here, speed it up. Energizer, our sponsor, Energizer, is telling us we got like 2 minutes left of airtime because it's blinking really fast now.
Under 13.
Woohoo! Under 13.
Who's on the cover? Who's on the
Jonah's already on mine.
Oh.
Yours is the card. Yours is the card.
Jasper. It will go to
Smashing.
Tony. The charity again. Like Gary. Yay! That's it. Oh wait. There's one more. There's one more.
I'm scared.
Yeah, mine.
Last rose.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I knew it.
Drum roll, please. Drum roll.
Rain, it's rain, rain, rain. What did you get? Where did you get? I thought you were going to get some.
It's a raindrop.
Just right. Probably not going to be as funny.
Raindrop.
Alright, that was